Alright guys, check this out. So the other night we were doing this epoxy job. Stretch and look over there. I have to go back over here. We got here to the end and we had pre-mixed our colors, right? We made the black just a little bit too early because I needed more, so we had to make a bunch of it anyway. We ended up, the silver, that's in the floor, got too hot in the bucket. Started literally smoking, right? It's never happened to us before. So I went ahead and tried to pour it out on the floor while it was acting stupid, so I used a scraper and scraped it up. And if you look at this line here, I used my trowel, a steel one, that we used to scrape the flake, and I draw us a line straight through there, and then we ground this off because this was messed up, so we just got off enough to another. So what we're getting ready to do is pour another kit out, I'll mix my colors. I'm going to use my magic trowel, which is this. So I'm going to come over like this, right? And then when I push my colors with my roller, I'll push it up in there. And so we'll kind of blend it in, because the good thing about the way we did this design is that we could go along the design because it's not marbleized, right? So then it'll blend in just like this. I'll blend it in, but we'll come over this lid. I just wanted to show you guys, it's on a fail. Don't pre-mix it. Don't mix all your stuff too early. Make sure you do it as you go. You got enough people. Never happened to us before, but we slacked.
It happens.
But it's gonna look good when we're done. There's not a video anywhere online on how to take a new pour into another pour and make it blend in right. But we're about to do it. Have a good day. You know we are.
Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me.
That's real good.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Check. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Stopping me. 0, 1, 2, 3.
Let's get started.
Check this out.
Oh, that's real good.
Got a bug stuck over there.
Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me. Ain't nobody stopping me.
You've got to get a hold of yourself.
Come and check.
Amazing. You cannot even see our repair area. Huh. Incredible. Wow. This turned out almost dang near perfect.